Welcome to A-Tech. In this video I will discuss how to back up and restore WhatsApp messages to new phone. So to back up all of your WhatsApp chats or messages, tap on these three dots, go to Settings and then Chats, and at the bottom open the Chat Backup option. Now first you have to select your Google account in which you want to back up your WhatsApp messages, then open Frequency option. You can customize whether you want your WhatsApp messages to be backed up on daily, weekly, or a monthly basis, and turn on this option if you want to back up your videos as well. Now once everything is done, tap on this backup option, and it will back up all of your WhatsApp chats and media to your selected Google account. Now to restore WhatsApp chats on new phone, download WhatsApp and create WhatsApp, tap on Agree and Continue, and verify your phone number. Once you verify, it will automatically look for backups. Once found, just tap on the Restore button and all of your WhatsApp chats and media will be restored. So you can access old messages and media. If you found this video helpful, do like it, and subscribe my channel for more tech updates.